What's up guys, Franco Mobile Homes here, and today Christina put together this 4 myths about mobile homes that are actually false.
This is where we show you the ins and outs and everything there is to know about mobile homes. It is truly our mission to transform lives through mobile homes. So thanks for watching Franco Mobile Homes.
So we'll start with myth number 1, which is mobile homes are located in rundown trailer parks. Man, I get that all the time. People have this weird visualization, like from movies, that these mobile home parks are like 8-mile rundown trailer parks where just like poor people are, and where that's actually so far from the truth, especially in the areas that we work in and where we're at. You'll go into these mobile home parks and you'll find that they're very well maintained. They have a great park management staff, they have maintenance crews and they have a lot of standards for their homeowners to make sure that they take care of their lot, and then all the community areas are actually really great. Every park has a swimming pool, many parks have a gym, and there's just tons of amenities in these parks, and you'd love to see them, and they're located in great areas too. Myth number 2 is mobile homes are unattractive. That's kind of funny too, but at least, especially with the homes that we are building right now, you should see we're very thoughtful of how the floor plan is. We build very open floor plans, perfect for entertaining. The finishes on these homes, I can honestly say, from my opinion, that you compare a $1 million home in San Jose to one of our brand new mobile homes that we're building, that the finishes and the look looks way better. We have quartz countertops, we have stainless steel kitchen appliances, stainless steel finishes as well. You have the laminate floors. All this stuff can be done in a mobile home. You can even do smart home features like the Nest and control your thermostat through your phone. And we have a few other things that we're excited that's coming out pretty soon too. So let's go to myth number 4. Myth number 4 is mobile homes are poorly constructed and unsafe. That's definitely a myth, because with what we're building now, it takes a lot of time, several different tests, several different inspections that are done at a state level. Especially in California, there's a lot of requirements that we have to pass. Almost every step there throughout when we're building this, there are tests, like the plumbing gets pressure tested multiple times throughout the build process at the factory and on site. And then there's earthquake bracing codes, permits, they check the gas line, and there's a lot of different tests that they do to make sure that these homes are built to code and are safe for every homeowner that comes in. We have to go through a lot of that for each and every single house. Fire safety code is a huge one too, and structural as well. These homes are built in a very strong standard. Myth number 5 is that mobile homes are hard to finance, which I believe might have been true in the past, years back, but now becoming more common, where we have more options available for financing, especially for the newer homes. There's a lot of finance options, and that's specific to mobile homes that are built in a mobile home park or in the communities that we're building in. So these are the 4 myths that are around mobile homes and the answers. So thanks for watching Franco Mobile Homes. Have a great day. Bye.